My expansion paragraph. I enjoy teaching others how to ski. I enjoy outdoor activities. I like cold weather. The snow is refreshing. I have skied since I was 9 years old. This past December, I applied for a job teaching skiing at Liberty Mountain, which is about 30 minutes from my house. After applying, I was asked to attend a 2-day tryout. There were 2 other applicants with me. The first day, we worked on our skiing skills. I didn't know I was skiing wrong for 40 years. I did go down a double black diamond successfully. The second day, we learned how to teach a 2-hour beginner lesson. First, we worked with boots, then one ski, then the other ski, then both skis. At the end of the second day, I was very tired, and I was hired. I had to do more onboarding tasks. I really enjoy teaching others how to ski.